You guys got to see me unbox this beautiful press, give you guys a first impression after a first press, but now you're about to see it in production. And I already told you guys that Cricut got it wrong. They designed a George Foreman grill when they should have been designing this right here. How you guys doing? My name is Stan Bates from T-Shirt Side Hustle, and I help people start t-shirt business from home. Where you at? And in this video, I'm about to put this to use on a real job and give you guys a full-blown review after my first real job on this machine right after the intro. All right, here we go. We got transfers from Marathon, and we got our shirts from Sandbar. Okay, let's jump right into it. But before we do, you guys know what I need you to do for me. I need you to like this video because I put a lot of work into this shit. You know what I'm saying? I put a lot of work into it, so you need to just like the video. I need you to subscribe to the YouTube channel because 65% of you guys aren't subscribed. Last but not least, I need you guys to leave a comment and engage with your boy, man. So, like I said, man, we got the transfers here and we are ready to roll. If you guys need some transfers, go ahead and visit marathon.tshirtsize.com. That's my link over to marathon.supply where you guys can get detailed transfers, vinyl, ink, equipment, supplies, presses, whatever it is you need to run your business. Just knowing that you support not only me, but other creators. And most importantly, you guys know I'm all about educating you guys. So that is gonna tie back into what we're able to do throughout the community. So in the last video, you guys see me unbox the HTVRONT press. This thing is a work of art. I told you guys in that video, nothing's more important than seeing this machine in production. I wasn't gonna even get this press until I see my homegirl Caroline using it at her job. And I like the portability of it, everything that goes into it, but I wanna see how it feels to actually get a job going. So I got a job here, about 60 something pieces. And we got some transfers from Marathon, like I said, and we are going to get this thing to work. So with no further ado, you're going to get a full review at the end of this, and I might stop throughout and show you guys kind of what I'm thinking. But the first thing I got to do is get all of these transfers cut out. Time to get to work. You got to cut apart all of these transfers, okay? And the way you're gonna do that is you're gonna take these, they're called scissors. You're gonna run them. You should probably just roll it out. All right, let's see, how can I do this? Just run it up. All right, so we got all of the transfers we need cut out. Now it's time to get to work. So we got adults, we got youth. Let's get to it. Man, listen, I got a few more left to do, but I'm just gonna keep it real, man. I slept on this heat press, okay? I could have been talking about this long before anybody was talking about it. I looked at it, I felt like the George Foreman grill was already a topic on the market. I felt like this press was for crafters. You know, I didn't know what it would be like. There were some things even in the unboxing that I was skeptical about, but I'm gonna tell y'all this right now. I got a new technique for my largest, a bigger size of how I line things up. I'm gonna tell y'all right now that the heat press god himself, the go-to heat presses, you know, the one who started all the unboxing and reviews, I slept on this heat press. For the price point, this thing is amazing, okay? Sheesh. Some things that I'm skeptical about is obviously gonna be the durability, the longevity of this. You know, how much it can do and or how many, you know, shirts it can do before it breaks. But at the price point that it's at, it's too cheap. This thing should be at least $500. it should be at least $500. All right. This is a 4X. I'm not having any trouble lining up the larger sizes. This is what I kind of been doing. I've been throwing it over the press and dragging it back, right? Well, like that's my overload, pulling it down 1.5 inches for the 4X here. Then I've been taking this and flipping it underneath. Easy does it, right? And I'll make my adjustments, check my sleeves. The only two things that I would say that I'm not gonna say I'm worried about is that I'm just skeptical about still to this point. This is my first job. I don't know, 60 something pieces. Two things that I am skeptical about is the pressure and the longevity. So I will make another video in this series, number 3, this is number 2 in the series. I will make another video in the series to discuss the pressure, and I'm gonna hear from them what the pressure is, what the reading is. I know you could probably add stuff to the bottom of it to figure it out, but that also may break the press. So it's the pressure and the durability, right? It is made of plastic. It is super light. It's not too hot. Now, I didn't know it earlier on, it didn't get hot right here. It is hot, but it is manageable to touch when it's hot. So it's not like it's crazy heat that you get on some of the metal ones where you can burn yourself. 4X, lined up straight, not a huge design either, lined up straight perfectly. You guys know all I need to do is pass the eye test, and it passed my eye test, right? So I got a couple extras, yeah. These are the babies, and then I should have some smaller ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So, you know, I 1000% slept on this heat press. This is what I would call easy pressing. Easy pressing, super just stress-free pressing. This is the press that you should buy. Listen, I done reviewed them all. I don't even know what to say. I feel so good about this press. You know, still a few things that I want to know and see and really utilize it, but I might need 2-3 more of these. I don't know if I said in this video, but my aunt called me looking for a press. She gonna get one of these. All right, the price point is too cheap. Need to be $500. I think it's like $3, and it's on sale if you use Amazon Prime right now. Whenever you're watching this, you may not have it, maybe whatever. But I think the price will go up, and it should go up because your boy done said it. I slept, and this is the best press that I've ever touched. Pressure, we got to see where the pressure going, where the pressure at, because we don't know what we will be pressing and what needs to happen. Interchangeable platen, so being able to press different size garments with this, a pure front shirt loader, on-site printing, whatever. This is a machine that I would not mind having. This one got a little tape on it from where I had it taped up, so I'm gonna throw that over on this one. But this thing is the real deal thus far. One job into it. This is my one job review. If you have this press, like I know a lot of you do, let me know down in the comments what you think about this press. But this is my production review when it comes to the HTVRONT press. Cricket, you messed up. You made a George Foreman grill, and you should have been making this. And your boy Stan Banks said it. You know, hey, maybe I won't get in trouble this time because can't nobody really say nothing, even though they tried to get me in trouble the last time. But I'm going to say what I got to say. That's just my thoughts on what I be thinking. So before we go, I was doing my post-pressing, and there was one more thing that I would like to see. I need some type of Teflon cover. I don't want to have to continuously throw the sheet on here, and taping it doesn't work. And obviously it's not metal, so I can't use magnets. So there's one last thing that I had to note, and that's it. And this has been your boy Stan Banks. If you want one, use the description link down below. It may be a affiliate link at some point, but as of right now, it's not. It's link you over there, but use the link. Support your boy. Appreciate you guys. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.
The T-Shirt Side Hustle team would like to give a huge shout out to its contributing members.